My name is Francine Monaco.
I'm Carl DeQuino, partner with Francine in DeQuino Monaco.
And what our luxury is to kind of unpack your dreams. I mean, it's an amazing privilege. I think there is a distinct aesthetic that DeQuino Monaco has.
We're not a cookie-cutter firm, and we rarely repeat anything. So you're coming to us for a dialogue. And we most frequently start our projects on paper with pencil. And Francine still has the art of drawing.
He's constantly out and about in the world, seeing what's there and able to pull out what he thinks is magical in it. So that just ability to witness the world is such an integral part of what we do, because we are there to kind of edit it and give it back. I think we do love every color. We have a tendency to kind of create a palette of colors that all feed off of each other so that they actually change depending on how the light reflects off of them, how they react to each other.
We use color to entice you through our spaces. We use color to tell stories.
I mean, the word story is used just like narrative because throughout time we've told stories, and moving through space is about unveiling a story. It's not unique to us, the reference to story and narrative. It's just we all have our own ways of telling stories.